Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change country in Amazon Prime Video. So back in the years, it was actually very easy to change your country. You could just simply go to the official website, go to your profile, click on settings, and just hover down on the lower portion. You could just click on country, change it, confirm, and it's done. But now that option is no longer available. So instead, we have a quick fix for that. You can actually go to Google and search for free VPNs. For example, we have this or Urban VPN, which is very free, or you can also use premium VPN software after. So you can download this VPNs, install after that, just let it run. Click on any region or specific country you would like to choose, and you're done. You should now be able to access movies or shows that are only limited to those regions. I hope you found this video very helpful.